Neato's new robot vac uses a laser beam to keep your house clean. Under that round piece on the top of the Neato D7 is a laser. As the vacuum goes around your house for the first time, it creates a digital map of all the rooms. On subsequent runs, the map ensures that each room gets an even clean, and the laser keeps the robot on track. Neato says it means the vacuum can cover a room in a more methodical way than other models, including some of its own, that use cameras to detect objects. And the map can be loaded into the Neato app, and users can set no-go zones where they don't want the vac to enter. In the past, this could only be done by laying down magnetic strips on the floor, and no one wants to do that. Smart home control is via Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and If This Then That recipes. The bot's memory has been upgraded, and not forgetting its prime task, there's a new brush that's said to pick up more dust and pet hair than predecessors. The Neato D7 will be available in the fourth quarter at a suggested retail price of $799.